I'm trying to replicate YouTube music. Let's see how close I will get. I've never done this before. Looking at the app is black with some gray colors. Uses a lot of repeating groups. All these are repeating groups. This I can guess this I can use it as an option set. This is also a repeating group where it shows the playlist. Let's get it started. So here on Bubble, I'm basically going to start with the left bar, which is a floating group. And fix the height, make it 240. Let's check the exact color because obviously it's not there's different types of blacks. You can use a Google extension, color pick eyedropper, to check what color is it. Is the color code, copy or memorize, either way. Let's go to flat color. There is an
Paste
icon
it.
as well as a
That's the
logo.
color. Let's
Go
put
to
this
YouTube
together.
Music to see. Let's put those in the group. I'm guessing I can put it on 60. The width should not be fixed. Let's get an icon. Let's see if we can get any icon under Google Material. Menu. See if this will work. Change the size. Change the color. I think it's just pure white. Let's go. Go to the group. Make it align to middle. And on the icon itself, the margins, let's try 20. We also need the icon or the logo for music, YouTube Music. So that should be an image. Reduce the size of the image, the height. Let's put it on 0. Or actually, just should be able to see it. Let's first put it on 20. As you can see, it's aligned via column. We need it to be aligned via row. So the icon will be side by side with the picture. On group A, we choose to be row. So the picture should be here somewhere, but you can't see it yet. Oh, sorry, it's just on the other side. So I'm trying to arrange, or let me arrange the icon first, then the image. Going back, it's a row, meaning that it's fine. The width, put it to 40 for now, as we just starting off. Let's go get that image. Yep. One thing which I will need to do is to keep the aspect ratio fixed, kind of like increase the size to maybe 70. And left margin to 20. Let's do a quick preview. All right, here's the real site. Here's mine. think there is spacing on top. Let's go do that. First, let me align this to be in the middle, aligned to be in the middle. I think it will fix the spaces. Right, we're done with that. Let me go quick test. So apologies, there are different things which you are seeing that they're not quite the same. For an example, this logo is not the same as this one because I just got it from the internet. But anyone have an idea where I can get this, you can show put a comment, I'll change it. Same applies to the icon of the menu. Right now we are going to do the option sets, a simple three things which is just home, explore, library. Let's do that. As I advise, those are option sets, and option cells will be on repeating group. So let's go and first create the option sets, then we put them in the repeating group. We go to data, then we go to option sets. I'm naming it left bar. Home, explore, library. Let's go back to the design page, then add that repeating group. This repeating group should not have a fixed width. This repeating group should not also have fixed rows. This repeating group, the spacing or the minimum height should be 30. This is my guess, probably is not it, but yeah. The type of the content is the left bar we created, and the source is all of them. Inside the repeating group, let's put a group. The reason why I'm putting a group inside there, if we're going to go here, you'll see there is an icon as well as a text. In this group which I created, I don't want it to have a fixed width. My first icon, let's try Google Material. Let me see if it's I'm just checking if it has something similar to it. Home, yeah, it's fine. First, we don't choose any icon. We just change the color to be white. Change it, change the size. Maybe we can do with 30 maybe. Let's see. 30 is a bit bigger. It's closer to 8. So I guess we're going to settle with 20. 20 is a bit smaller. Let's do 24. Make aligning the repeating group to be row. Go back to the icon, make it in the middle. Then let's add a text in the middle as well. Text color white. Let's go to the group. The group needs to reference the repeating group. Data source. Where is the okay? On data source, let's not select anything. Go back to text. the text, go to search. Okay, let me go back, made a mistake here. I think I have to select something on data. Let me go. Okay, so what happened there? So the repeating group is like it's at the bottom. So I made a mistake and I didn't put it inside. So I'll just drag this group, put it under the under repeating group. Yeah, there you go. So here's the repeating group, and then inside we have this group left bar. Then when we select here, we want to have current cell bar. Moving on, let's go to the text. The text should be parents groups left bar display. Let's go and check. Hey, here we go. As you can see on the main one, quite different, but it's fine. We'll get there. Let's check with the margins. Go to the group. Let's say the group do like a 20, and also the text does a 20 as well. Let's do a preview. Better. Text, let's try to get to Roboto. I see it's not similar. Let's see. Roboto, just increase the font maybe to 16. We'll preview that later. Let's go to the icon. Here on the icon, I didn't select anything because the icon will only be based on what the option is. Let's go to conditional format. We're going to say if the parent group's left bar display is home. If it's home, then the icon needs to show a home icon. Right. Let's do another one. It says if the display is explore, the icon, sorry, not icon color, but the actual icon. Let me remove color. The icon itself. Let's see if explore is there. Explore. Yeah, campus is there. Let's say this. And then the last one, which is library, you can just say the same thing. If display is, make sure the spellings are correct. Icon. Let's see music. There you go. Let's go do a preview. There you go. Let's check the music. YouTube music. So there we go. We did the first part. Obviously, icons are much slimmer than what we have. But obviously, when time goes by, we are most definitely going to find those or find ways to go around. But let's work with what we have for now. On the next part, where we are most definitely going to look at the other elements and the coloring and the whole page. Cheers.